Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix BFSVC error could not open the BCD template store status c000000f. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit. Find Install Drive Letter, in my case Windows installed drive letter is C. Type List Vol. Find system volume, in my case system volume is 2. Type assign letter equal to Q. Type X copy space, X colon / Windows / System 32 / config / BCD minus template space, C colon / Windows / System 32 / config / BCD minus template. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon / Windows space, /s space, assigned drive letter colon space, /f space, UEFI. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.